All right, this is Unit 2, Week 5 reading test, Caterpillar by Christina Rossetti. Brown and furry, caterpillar in a hurry. Take your walk to the shady leaf or stalk, or whatnot, which may be the chosen spot. No toad spy you, hovering birds of prey pass by you, spin and die, to live again, a butterfly. Number 1. Read the lines from the poem. Brown and furry, caterpillar in a hurry. In the poem, what does furry mean? A. Without fur. B. In need of fur. C. Having fur. D. One who has fur. What does furry mean? Question number 2. Which lines from the poem show that the caterpillar needs to go somewhere? Circle 2 lines below that. Show this. Okay, so you're going to circle 2 lines, and we're looking for the 2 lines that show that the caterpillar needs to go somewhere. Line 1, brown and furry. Line 2, caterpillar in a hurry. Line 3, take your walk. Line 4, or whatnot. Circle 2 of those lines that show that the caterpillar needs to go somewhere. Number 3, read the lines from the poem. Take your walk to the shady leaf or stalk. What does the word shady tell me about the leaf? A. It blocks the sun. B. It cannot block the sun. C. It used to block the sun. D. It is the opposite of blocking the sun. Take your walk to the shady leaf or stalk. What does shady tell me? Number 4. Which line best states what the caterpillar will do when it gets to the leaf? A. Caterpillar in a hurry. B. To the shady leaf or stalk. C. Which may be the chosen spot. D. Spin and die. Which line best states what the caterpillar will do when it gets to the leaf? Question number 5. What does the speaker want the caterpillar to do? A. Eat more leaves. B. Talk to toads and birds. C. Walk more slowly. D. Become a butterfly. What does the speaker want the caterpillar to do?